How do you make people wear face masks? Give the mask for free. Odiongan Mayor Trina Fabic will be doing this after receiving 2,000 washable face masks from Vice President Leni Robredo. These were given by the VP without Fabic having to ask for them. The Lady Mayor gave away the mask to market vendors and producers.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.